Hello, my name is Julie Moore. I am honored to participate in the East Coast Cherwell roadshows across the U.S. in May and June 2018. Cherwell has assembled an exceptional group of people to discuss the important trends in IT service management. What can you do to shift to a value stream mindset? How can you expand IT service management beyond the borders of IT and into the business? What can you do to accelerate your organization's digital transformation? Learn more about the trends in the disruption economy and the techniques for leading digital transformation. Visit cherwell.com/company/events to register for an event close to you. I hope to see you in Atlanta, Georgia on May 8th, Iselin, New Jersey on May 9th, Toronto on May 10th, Tampa on June 6th, and Raleigh, North Carolina on June 7th. Let's network and drive change in the industry. See you there.